London is one of the world's most renowned cities, rich with history and full of intriguing facts. Here are 20 interesting facts about London. The name Big Ben actually refers to the largest bell, housed within the clock tower at the north end of the Palace of Westminster. The tower itself was renamed the Elizabeth Tower in 2012 to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of Elizabeth II. London's bridges, spanning the River Thames, are not just functional infrastructure but are also iconic symbols of the city. Tower Bridge, often mistaken for London Bridge due to its more striking appearance, is one of the most recognizable. The London Underground's opening in 1863 revolutionized urban transport. It began with the Metropolitan Railway, the world's first underground railway, running between Paddington and Farringdon. London's vast array of cultures, languages, and cuisines makes it a global city. Areas like Brick Lane, known for its Bangladeshi curry houses, and Brixton, with its Caribbean vibe, highlight London's diversity. Heathrow Airport serves as a major gateway for international travelers entering or leaving the UK, illustrating London's role as a global hub for travel and commerce. This giant Ferris wheel on the south bank of the River Thames offers panoramic views of the city. It was the world's tallest when it opened, reflecting London's penchant for blending historical and modern attractions. The red double-decker bus is an emblematic image of London. Route Masters, the classic model, have served the city's public transport network for decades. The fire led to the reconstruction of parts of London, including the design of new buildings by Christopher Wren. This event shaped the architectural evolution of the city. The superstition surrounding the ravens that if they leave the tower and the kingdom will fall has led to their careful management and has become a story that fascinates visitors. London is dotted with parks like Hyde Park, Regent's Park, and Hampstead Heath, offering green retreats in the heart of the city and emphasizing the importance of public green spaces in urban planning. As the tallest skyscraper in the UK, the Shard is a testament to London's skyline's evolution, offering views that span up to 40 miles on a clear day. Its establishment as the first national public museum, accessible to all, free of charge, set a precedent for public access to cultural heritage worldwide. Greenwich Mean Time (GMT) originates from the Prime Meridian Line. At the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, a borough steeped in maritime and scientific history. This quirky feature of London highlights the city's love for stories and legends, often hidden in plain sight among the urban landscape. This piece of history reflects London's long-standing efforts to regulate urban life, including the behavior of its inhabitants and their animals. Buckingham Palace, the London residence of the UK's sovereigns since 1837, is a key site for state occasions and tourism, reflecting the city's royal heritage. This annual gift from Norway symbolizes peace and friendship, and the lighting of the Christmas tree in Trafalgar Square is a beloved holiday tradition. Its opening marked the beginning of the modern zoo movement, emphasizing conservation and education alongside entertainment. The rehabilitation of the River Thames, from a biologically dead river to one teeming with life, showcases successful environmental restoration efforts. This architectural curiosity reflects London's diverse and sometimes eccentric property landscape, often revealing surprising stories about the city's development and its residents' ingenuity.